Alright guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Just got home from work and we need to get the duck coop cleaned out. Little buddy's gonna help me, so I just gotta grab a shovel out of here. No, it's somewhere. There it is. But these guys are getting big. So there's 54 of those. We have 54 meat birds. We have 9 turkey meat birds, which are going to get moved out in the barn here in a couple days. And then the layers. And the one duck's in here. If you can see him over in the corner, you need to put his Band-Aid back on him. He can move around, but he still trips and falls a little bit. We definitely need to get his Band-Aid back on him so he gets his strength. But he's learning. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 new layers there, and then we have 5 more out, or 6 more out in the barn, and we have 22 in the coop. And then 4 cows and 5 ducks and all kinds of other animals here, and a few horses. So that's our tally on animals at the hobby farm. So
wait, are you just telling them about the
yep. Me and Buddy here are gonna go
gotta get the shavings.
okay, as soon as we get it cleaned out, I'll grab the shavings.
Dada, I can grab the shavings. Can you get the shovel over there?
Yeah, I can do that. All right. So he's got the shavings. I'll run in the lawnmower. So it shouldn't take too long. We'll get this thing cleaned out real quick. And it's been raining for the last 12 hours here, so everything's flooded again. But it's all right. Everything's turning really, really green. And the hayfield is starting to come up now, being that the temperatures are more up into the 60s and 70s. But there for a minute, I didn't think we were gonna get any hay to grow. All right, so we're gonna get this thing cleaned out. Hey, buddy.
Run!
Need you to crawl in there and unplug that so I can get these cords put away.
Why cords? Why are we taking them away?
Because they don't need the heat lamp on them anymore, bud. Overnight, just unplug the yellow cord.
In winter they do.
Yeah, then we'll bring the cord back out. All right. Can you push it through there?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right.
Now I'll get the duckies in. Here, Dad. I'll get the ducks in.
Go ahead and get them in. All right, let's get this drug to the garage. All right, so we got that cleaned out. That was the first time that was cleaned out, so that works good on the back side. Wyatt's gonna put them away, and we'll probably go in for the day because it's still raining. I'm gonna go check on the cows first, though. We already got them fed because it's about 7 o'clock right now. I didn't get home from work till about, I don't know, almost 7. So let's check these guys out. This lean-to works out pretty good to get out of the rain and stuff. So, but yeah, they're getting big. You know, we'll probably have them for at least another, let's see, it's the end of May now. We'll probably have them until October. I think that's the earliest actually we can even get them into the processors. So, but that's about it for today. It's just a little vlog, a couple little chores. Being that I got home late, not gonna be much here to do because it's just they've already taken care of most of the chores. So. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off here. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Catch you later.